She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So for today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and make a grilled cheeseburger. But the star of the show is going to be the Texas toast that we're going to put this cheeseburger on. We're also going to go ahead and make a homemade copycat version of the In-N-Out animal style sauce. If you've had that sauce before, you'll know that it's delicious and it's going to go perfect on this burger. So if you guys are ready for this Texas toast grilled cheeseburger, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so this is my take on a quick and delicious Texas toast grilled cheeseburger. Of course, we've got that delicious buttery Texas toast on top. Then nestled inside that, we've got 2 delicious double cheese patties, grilled onions, and that In-N-Out animal style sauce. Now with that sauce, you can also use it for other things as well. You can dip the fries in there. You can put it on a chicken sandwich. I definitely recommend you try out that recipe for that In-N-Out Copycat animal sauce. It is delicious. And then also you could easily substitute the fresh Texas toast bread that we got with some frozen garlic Texas toast. It's still going to be delicious, and you can even get creative with getting the Texas toast with the cheese on top or the extra garlic toast. Definitely will add some more flavor to your sandwich, so give it a try. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.